So let's take the three big dogs in the barn, or horses in the barn: YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. YouTube gives the user the facility to be in the YouTube environment and have a search or one or two click access to the entire Pandora's box of inventory and video experiences that are available in YouTube. Twitter and Facebook, on the other hand, are limited to the video that passes through the stream, and most often on a mobile device. So they're very different animals from that point of view. When you look at Facebook in terms of video development, it's massively dominated by user-created video and user-shared video from other news events or whatever else it may happen to be. And from an advertiser point of view, the advertiser is competing with the regular news feed and with the rest of the user-generated and user-shared news feed, and I think it remains a challenging environment. I think that Facebook has its own challenge with how much advertiser video it puts into the newsfeed to try and avoid degrading the newsfeed experience. And I think there are significant issues with Facebook's definition of viewability for advertisers in that newsfeed. The idea that the moment a video enters the feed, and let's think about how people scroll using mobile devices in that feed, that the charging event takes place at that level, I do not believe is something that advertisers are going to find entirely acceptable. And I think there's challenges there. I think Twitter's 6-second GIF preview for video is very effective and very interesting. And I think that Twitter's video product for advertisers is attractive both from an impact point of view and how it's delivered within the feed, and also from a pricing initiation point of view where the value is perceived to come. I think this race has a long way to go, and I think it's a significant challenge for the non-YouTube parties. And my sense is that the idea that somehow that video as an experience is making a wholesale shift out of YouTube and onto other platforms may be a little premature.